Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how to embed YouTube video in WordPress. It's a very quick tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open a page so I can show you how it's done on a new page, and obviously you can do this to your existing pages also. So first of all, when you open your page, you can see that we have a block option over here. Just click on this and you need to search for YouTube. And once you search that, you can see that we have a YouTube option over here. Click on this and here you are going to enter your YouTube URL. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go and open YouTube, and this is the link from Marcus Brownlee channel. I'm going to copy the link and go back to that page and paste that over here. Once you paste that, make sure to click on embed and you will see that YouTube video will be added over here. And if I publish this at the top right corner, and obviously you can play around with this, so you can go ahead and set this width and full width. It's all on you. All the details are over here and you can play around it. Once you update that, you can see that I have published my page. Click on view page and let's see how it looks like on a new page. And as you can see, this is the page which I have created right now, and that's how you know how to embed YouTube video in WordPress. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.